what's up guys, it's your girl Hypnotic Lady and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today we'll be working with Eva Wigs. This is the unit here that I have on my head. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this color, the highlights, and of course the install and whatnot. So yeah, this is Eva Wigs. You can find them on www.evawigs.com. This is their Brazilian straight 22-inch. It came in a color 4, which is like a darkest brown. It is 150% density. And yeah, y'all, the hairline came like this. Literally all I did was add some powder and lay down my baby hairs. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. I hope you guys like it. Bye. Inside the box came with a bag. This is Eva's Wigs, style SK1735, hair length 22 inches, hair color darkest brown or number 2. Density is 150, lace color is light brown. It did come with a pre-plucked hairline. Cap construction is cap 3A, cap size petite. Comes with an elastic band, a user guide, some bobby pins, a comb, and a wig cap. So very, very cute. Shipping was pretty good. I believe 2 or 3 days. Really nice. The hair is really, really thick. I like it a lot. But since I got this number 2, you can tell like that it's brown in the sunlight. I want to go ahead and put some highlights and low lights, and this is going to be perfect for the fall time. Things you're going to need are this. And this is going to make your highlights and low lights. Alright guys, so basically what you want to do to achieve your highlights, you're going to take a rat tail comb and kind of crochet or weave through the hair into a like motion where you just go up, down, and then back comb. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. And then you're just going to go in, and what strands you have left out, you're going to use bleach. It is super, super, super simple. I'll later on go in to show you how that I just started doing streaks with the brush. So it's nothing that I wanted to make really uniform. I wanted the highlights to look really natural and not like that they were put in there. So yeah, just follow the instructions, y'all. I did not wear no gloves and I did regret it, but please, please, please wear gloves. But yeah, just weave out sections, back comb, and then the sections that you have left out, take bleach. Alright guys, so this is what the wig looks like now after I've colored it and I've blow dried it. I washed it and blow dried it. And when I wash it, I just use a regular shampoo and a Shimmer Light shampoo to tone it, and then like a regular conditioner, and then just blown it out. And this is what it looks like. Y'all, it's so pretty. Like, you can tell that there's actual, I guess they wouldn't say highlights or say lowlights or highlights, I don't know. But it looks pretty good. This is the other side. The hair is still thick, super thick. I'm getting like minimal tangling and shedding. But yeah, so okay, y'all see these are the highlights. Now, I did bleach the knots with a 30 developer, and I did not tweeze anything. The hairline comes pre-plucked, so this is what it comes looking like. Y'all, it's so pretty, y'all. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, I've already did my mold down for my cap. I will be doing a in-depth detail on how to do this because I've had people ask. But first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna get a cotton swab and clean your forehead. So, after you do that, you're gonna take your scissors and go ahead and cut the lace off. I'm just gonna follow the hairline that's on here because it looks pretty good. After you get your hairline cut, this is what it should look like. I've already put like my pressed powder and stuff on the inside. So I'm gonna put the wig back on. And this is what the hairline's looking like. Super cute. I think I'm gonna keep it like this and then just go in and tweeze a little bit because it doesn't look bad at all. Now, next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna take your Got to Be Glued. I'm gonna use the yellow bottle. Alright, once you check to see if that's tacky, it is. I'm going to go in with one more layer, just for a little bit more security. once everything is down and secure, what I like to do is I'll go in with a powder to set everything. So that is what I'm about to do. This is what the hairline looks like. Again, if you get a little bit of lifting, wherever it is you're getting lifting, just pull it back a little bit, because it's not much, and spray a little hairspray. And just take the spray to set it. Y'all cannot get over this hair. Like, look at this hairline for one. Like, look at the hairline. Yes, honey. So, and again, this is Eva Wigs. Right here, Eva Wigs. And you can get this at wait, let me make sure I'm right. Their contact information is, yes, www.evawigs.com. And this is, again, the SK1735, length in 22 inches. It came in a number 2 darkest brown, and I added highlights. 150 density, and it came with a pre-plucked hairline, size petite, C3A cap. So, y'all, all right, let's style this bad boy. I'm gonna take my hot comb. Y'all, look at the hairline. Yes, honey. Okay, so. Alright guys, my camera died in the middle of me finishing this, but all I did was just put like a little ponytail up top and wrap some hair around, finished my edges, and then just, you know, wand curled it one more time. This is the final results, y'all. I think it's so cute, y'all. It looks so natural. It's big and fluffy. This is the back. And again, this is Eva Wigs. This is their 22-inch Brazilian straights, and I got it in the color number 2, and I added highlights. I did bleach the knots, and I did not pluck this hairline, y'all. Did not pluck this hairline and get into it. Super, super cute, super simple. All the links will be listed below in the description box. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.